If you wanted a privacy-focused alternative to Google Drive, Google Docs, and so on, now you have it. CryptPad is a very cool open source tool that I have been using by suggestion from Brandon from Algorithm Nexus, and it helps you a lot with teams coordinating the work. You can create things like a Google document, like a PowerPoint, a presentation, a spreadsheet like Excel, and you can share with people by a link. You can give these people read-only or edit access, and you can construct these files and these documents together collaboratively. It's end-to-end encrypted. Once you create a document, it's encrypted on your browser, and then you can send to people and give them access or not. The app is at cryptpad.fr. It's a French-based server, so the data is encrypted on your browser, sent to the server, and then distributed as you please. We can have a very example here, like when you click the document, it will load. It's one of maybe the trade-offs from this, like as it is encrypted, it will take a while to open, but once it opens, you can use it as you please. I won't show the document because it's private. So yeah, give it a try. It's very cool. It's open source, so you can check all the code here on GitHub. It's mostly based on JavaScript. 80% of the code is JavaScript. The maintainers apparently are very active, so you can check here and play with the open part of the project yourself. You can check the entire code base and have some fun. So let me know what your thoughts are. If you ever tried CryptPad, let me know what you are building with it. And also, if you enjoyed the content, please like this video, like this content. Follow me on X at vinibarbosabr, or on YouTube. My channel is also vinibarbosabr. And yeah, see you around with more tools that you can use for privacy, for crypto, for Web3, and so on. Bye bye.